Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on mobile accessories with Best Buy easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Best Buy website or opening the Best Buy app on your device. Next, locate the search bar at the top of the home page. Type in mobile accessories to see a wide range of products available. Once the results load, filter the options using the categories on the left side. You can narrow down by brand, price, and customer ratings. Take your time to browse through the selections to find accessories that suit your needs. Click on any product that catches your interest for more details. Read the product description carefully to ensure it meets your requirements. Check customer reviews for insights on the quality and performance. If you have a specific budget in mind, use the price filter to set your range. Look for any current promotions or discounts highlighted on the product page. If you're a My Best Buy member, sign in for potential exclusive offers. Add your selected items to the shopping cart as you find them. Once you're ready to check out, click on the cart icon. Review your cart to confirm all items are correct. Proceed to checkout and enter your shipping information. Select your preferred shipping method to receive your items. Before finalizing your order, check for any additional promo codes. If applicable, enter the promo code in the designated box. Review the final total to ensure it matches your expectations. Complete your purchase by providing your payment information. After your order is confirmed, keep an eye on your email for shipment updates. Enjoy your new mobile accessories at a great price from Best Buy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.